here's a quick tour of a deluxe double room on a high floor at the Grand Sheraton Hotel in Seattle, Washington. Have a restroom, sink space here, standard tub and shower. All right, closet and storage space here. There is a safe, an iron board and iron, and this does come with just the 2 double beds. Has a refrigerator. There is a Starbucks downstairs as well. Mini fridge. Television. Looks like it's on a swivel. Desk area. A lounge area. And then 2 double beds. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but it is just a short 4-minute walk to Pikes Market. And it's right here in the center of downtown Seattle.